Hey guys, I needed this. I needed this very badly. Your girl is about to clean a lot, like a lot today. Nikki, what's wrong with you? You just redid a beautiful glam suite, but yet you let shit pile the fuck up. So that's what we're doing today. I wanted to do other videos. I have other videos planned. I have really good videos coming out, but I needed to just put a pause on those ideas so that I can clean. This buildup happens because I'm an influencer. I love fashion. I'm always bringing in new clothes and getting rid of clothes and like doing hauls and reviews, and it freaking piles up. I feel like this intro's all over the place, but another reason why my place is extra messy currently is because your girl has been traveling to places she can drive to. I've been road tripping every single weekend with different friends, just going to new beaches, like getting that little wanderlust without flying because of everything that's going on. I don't know, we gotta declutter. We need to get rid of things. We need to clean, we need to do laundry, we need to organize. This is like cleaning central. I don't know, I've never used to watch cleaning videos until quarantine, and now I'm like, I get it. There's an audience out there that just thinks it's really satisfying. Oh, Xena, as always, is here to help me. So now I guess we're gonna get into this cleaning video. I feel like I'm making this intro really long because I'm procrastinating, because there's nothing more in the world I hate than cleaning. Enough's enough, this place is a mess. We're going clean. Okay, so we're going to start with everything that's on the floor so we can at least walk through here as we clean. So let's go. All right, guys. So we are in my closet, my infamous closet. I film in every video in this closet, and because of that, it is a mess in here. We just push so much shit to the side just so it looks clean in here, but it's not actually clean. I don't know where to start. Time lapse this shit. So it's the next day, and I actually did my hair and makeup today, and I actually styled my new hair so you guys can see the new hair color. Yes, my hair is red. It is a red era. This happened overnight. I don't know why. I just like, lately I've just been doing whatever, honestly, and I don't know. There's new music coming out, so it may have to do with it or it may not. Anyways, today I want to finish cleaning my closet. I don't really need to organize my closet because if you guys watched the video I uploaded during quarantine where I was just organizing my closet, I'll link it down below. I completely reorganized my closet back then, and I've, thank God, maintained it. There's color coordinating still going on in my wardrobe. I have all my purses and shoes behind me. They're all organized. I just have to pick up in the glam suite. Then I want to put my clothes I'm getting rid of in a garbage bag to donate. And then I want to move today into my actual apartment, which is, I feel like I've never really like put my actual apartment on my channel because I'm waiting to redo it. I'm not proud of it. I'm really proud of like this corner, but I don't like my living room or kitchen. My bedroom's on its way. I don't know. I feel like I'm not proud of it. So please, like, when you watch me cleaning, just know that it doesn't reflect my style and that that's what's coming next. Also, I want to be like answering Q&A type questions while I'm cleaning because I feel like this is kind of like a pause on my channel. Like, I feel like we haven't talked like this since my playlist video. So I just want to make this also a little more personal as I clean. So yeah, I think I'm gonna tweet, or should I Insta story? Filming, cleaning, and Q&A. Please ask me anything you want updates on. Okay, we Gucci. I just posted it. So, yeah, let's clean. Now I'm just gonna hang up all the clothes that I put into the closet pile so I can hang it up and color coordinate them and put them in the right color category. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. I have update on your clothing brand. Nikki's Aesthetic asked this. So I am working on clothing. Last year, actually almost a year ago in September, I started a jewelry line called Shop Knickknacks, and that was the start of my fashion adventures. I've always wanted to do clothing, but back then, this is like really sad, but I didn't believe in myself enough to do clothing because clothing is really hard. It's hard to make it and it's expensive and it takes a lot of work, but I feel like my mental health journey, I feel like quarantine gave me so much clarity and made me realize the things I'm doing for other people and not myself. And I just realized like I just have a passion for fashion. I'm a fucking Bratz doll, okay? I used to literally draw clothing. My mom used to buy me blank books, and I used to draw funky little outfits. And I remember I used to design dance recital costumes. Like, that's fucking weird. But yeah, so I decided in March to put an end to knickknacks. And honestly, I didn't want to put all my energy in jewelry. Like, I like jewelry, but I love fashion. So I called up my team and I was like, I'm gonna make clothing. It's coming. I think fall is when it's gonna be launched, but we're working on it. It takes time. How has your mental health been? And that's Nikki's Duncan, Emily. My mental health, I feel like I talk about it a lot. Yeah, I've had plenty of bad days between quarantine and now. But what I realized is being happy doesn't mean you've reached a goal and you're just always happy. It means you have bad days, but you're aware they're just bad days, and it's not that deep. I've been having bad days, but they're just bad days. It's not a bad life. And I think before I used to be like, it's a bad life. I am working on myself. I'm like the opposite of giving up on myself right now. I'm starting so much shit, sky's the limit. Like, my music and my clothing, it's coming, and it's gonna be a big deal, and I know it. So I'm just gotta manifest that shit. Are you and Nate planning on marriage/kids anytime soon? This is a good topic. I've been talking about this a lot lately. So I'm 25. I know, I look like I'm like 18. Nate and I are kind of on the same page, which is how I know this is good. Because I've been in a relationship before where like the guy literally pressured marriage, and like I used to say when I was 18, I'm not getting married till my 30s or late 30s. Like I always said, I'm gonna be an old bride, I'm gonna be an old bride, I'm gonna be an old bride. And I don't know where it came from. I've just never like, I feel like there's those girls like kind of like my sister Gabby who are like, oh, like I'm gonna be young, but like, and like they like those girls that used to love baby dolls growing up. That was never me. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm just enjoying, like, I'm not thinking about that right now. I love where I am in all my relationships, and I don't want to change it. Like, why change what's not broken? I don't know. I'm just not there yet. People are getting pregnant, and I'm making TikToks and YouTube videos. Did you and Nate officially move in together? Yes. Do you see yourself diving into different industries in the future? Good ass question. Okay, so this is the way I see it. I see YouTube as an industry, and I've been on it for 7 years, and it's changed a lot, but I'll always love it. Like, I do this for fun, even if thank you. Even if I didn't, thank you, this is amazing. I've never full force did the fashion thing, even though I really wanted to, and I've never full force done the music thing without Gabby, and this is the year I'm doing it, and I'm gonna always do YouTube. I will always do YouTube. Like, if I wasn't getting paid, I would still do this. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into music and fashion. Matsu loves. What would you tell past Nikki? So, if you guys have been watching my channel, this channel specifically, you'll see all my damn phases. Your girl has been through it, and you can tell. And I've been like, happy, sad, happy, sad. Like, there's rarely a middle Nikki. Like, okay, should I just say it in the video? Since, like, we're kind of on that topic. I'm bipolar, and I found that out in February 2020, right before I dyed my hair orange. That's kind of why I dyed my hair, because I was like, I don't know, it's like, I'm a new Nikki, like I have more self-awareness. It's something I haven't come to terms with. Like, I'm still coming to terms with it, because I have had OCD my whole life, like the compulsions, the rituals, the obsessions. Now I'm like, the older I've gotten, I've just noticed like my moods, like something has happened between 21 and 25. Like, it has been rocky, and I never knew how to explain it. And I've been seeing the same psychologist since I was 18. 7 years, and she pulled out my charts. We looked through my history, and she was like, yeah, like, and I got testing done, and OCD and bipolar, like, us people. I saw Lele Pons came out about having OCD, and I watched it, and I was like, oh my god, like, finally, like, people are talking about this thing. Whew! That was me. I used to have to sleep with a towel on my mirror, like, crazy shit. Like, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, so it just felt like shit finding out about the bipolar, because I was like, well, why do some people have nothing, and then there's me with these two things? It's like, why? Like, some people are just literally off the hook, and it's just like, you guys are lucky. I don't understand. So yeah, that got deep. Now I think I've answered enough questions, like, sitting here, because they're all pretty much like repetitive. So I'm just gonna like finish cleaning this and like try to find more hangers, and then we'll go to my living room. Okay guys, so this is my bedroom. I never bring you guys in here. It's honestly just a bedroom. Like, it's just a bed in a room. Like, it does the job. It takes up the whole room. Me and Nate have like a California king. And I need to make the bed, and I need to pick up, and I need to put my clothes away in here. So, cue the montage. How's it going? Good. It seems so miserable. I hate cleaning. Ow, I just hurt my leg on my bed. So this is where I store a lot of my other clothes that you guys don't see in my closet. I put my underwear and workout clothes in here. I put my socks, and tank tops that aren't meant to be like worn as tops, just kind of like undershirts. Down here, I just have a shit ton of pajama shirts and shorts, a bunch of pajama shirts. Like, I have a lot of that. And then down here is Nate stuff, and then to the left is just like sweats that are like more like period sweats, not like cute sweats, if you know what I mean. I know that I'm gonna get a lot of like people cringe that are clean freaks, but I don't really feel the need to fold all these because like they're comfy clothes or workout clothes and they don't really wrinkle, and if they do, it's a pajama, so it doesn't really matter. And it ends up getting messed up anyway, so I put them all in a drawer. So I just gotta organize it. So I didn't have to do much to my living room. I just organized the coffee table and the couch. And honestly, I have a lot I want to do out here, but I didn't have to do much. Since this is a living area, I always try to keep it tidy. It's my closet and my bedroom that gets pretty messy because of all my clothes. And then over here I have like all my plants. This tends to be my junk holder. These are my keys, and I feel like I just throw things in there and it piles up, so I have to clear that off. Get stuff off the floor, organize these things, pick stuff off the floor. I mean, this is like a sad little area. Like, I obviously need to like redo this space, but this is how good it's gonna get for now. And yeah. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I finished tidying up my apartment. This was like cleaning my whole apartment, or reorganizing it, unpacking. I feel like I needed to do this, and I feel like I also wanted to catch up with you guys and show you guys my new hair and talk about just like all this new stuff lately, things that are coming, clothing, music, and mental health. I haven't talked about it. But there are a lot of videos coming on this channel. There's a really cool one I'm really excited about. It's different and it has to do with shopping. The other one is the Black-owned business small Instagram brands haul/review. This is the longest it's taken for things to come in the mail. But yeah, I figured since I did the Glam Suite makeover, I was in need of just like tidying up with all these vacations and redoing the space. It's like way too pretty to keep messy. And also for the sake of Nate too. I don't know, this was just really needed, and hopefully you guys feel like we caught up. I feel like we're friends. Like, you guys need to be caught up sometimes. And I needed to show you guys my new hair somehow, because all the other videos I have coming are pre-filmed and I have my orange hair in it. So I had to like premiere the red. I hate cleaning, and I said that at the beginning of this video, and I don't usually watch cleaning videos, but it's satisfying once it's like done. And I do feel really good. I feel like my mind's decluttered. I see how people are addicted to cleaning. It's just the matter of like getting me to do it. But yeah, guys, be sure to hit the bell and click subscribe so you guys are notified every time I upload. There is so much coming. I am so excited. This is like the happiest I've been in a while, and I'm happy with everything I'm doing, and I can't wait. I just can't wait to show you guys everything that I've been keeping a secret. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like my new hair. I hope you feel close, and yeah, there's a lot coming on this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.